What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope y'all had an amazing day. And in this video, we're going to talk about Li Auto, where I think it's going to go, and we're going to break the stock down as a whole. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate all of the support y'all have been giving me. Now, if you want to see a specific stock broken down, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to break that stock down for you and make a video for you. Now, let's get right into the video and let's talk about where Li Auto is going and where I think it may head towards. So, now last time I broke down Li Auto, it was actually at the support and I had my stop loss right here. Now, if you took the trade, then you would have stopped out, and now we're actually fell down to the second support that I drew out. Now, I haven't changed these lines at all. They've been here. So, the last time I drew these lines, Li Auto was around this area right here. So, look what happened, guys. We stayed around the support. So, we know that this is a support indeed just because we hung around this area. So, let's zoom in a little and actually see what's going on. We noticed that sellers tried to push price down, buyers came in. Same thing here. We actually gapped down, opened up, pushed up. Then we fell back down, and now we're holding this area. We're barely holding this area. We actually had a down day today. Now, it was pretty down overall. NIO was down, XPeng was down. So basically the whole EV sector was down. So I wouldn't be too worried about this. Now, if you want to structure your trade, same situation goes with playing this old support area. Have your stop loss below support. Now, that all depends on how much room you want to give it. So your situation is going to be different from mine. You're going to have a different position size. I might be in heavier than you, so I'm going to hit a tighter stop loss. You might be in it more than me, so you might even have a tighter stop loss than I do. But it all just depends on what position you have, and then also how much you're willing to risk. Now, if you have a smaller position size, you can have a wider stop loss because you don't have that much to risk. For me, I'm not in Li Auto right now, but this is how I would trade it personally. I would have my stop loss underneath this wick. Once we get below this, then another good dip buy opportunity is around the $26 range. Now, something I've talked about in my previous videos dealing with Tesla, NIO, XPeng, if you're holding shares, I wouldn't worry about these type of stocks, right? If you can stomach holding that amount or that loss that you're down, over the next couple of months, and you don't need that money, then don't even worry about selling right now, okay? These stocks are eventually going to recover. They've just been doing these offerings, just like NIO, where they offer up shares, which dilutes the float, meaning that more shares are added and it becomes less valuable for the time being. Now, they're doing this because they're raising capital for a bullish reason. They're improving their technology, they're expanding their market, so it's for a bullish reason, but just at the moment, that is bearish news. Now, with Li Auto, we need to hold the support, right? So we've had this pretty much meltdown since all-time highs. So we hit all-time highs at $48, and then now we're at $31. So it has been quite a ride down. So if you got in at the top, it's been a ride for you. I know your account's probably down quite a lot, but hang in there. I do think we are going to see some type of rebound on these stocks. Like I said, overall, this just looks like a good dip buy, right? That we've just had this a massive run up, so now we're getting the pullback. So we need to hold this second support right here. If we don't hold this second support, we're most likely heading down to this third support right here. I don't see us breaking this, but if we do, the next line I'd be looking for is this area right here. Now, if we ever get down to the 20 mark range, I will be buying so much just because that's a dip buy of a lifetime, right? But like I said, we really need to hold this support. But looking how Li Auto is right now, it looks like we're holding it. And then on Monday, what I'll be looking at for the rest of the week, do we get some type of continuation play? Now, when I say continuation, do we hold this and do we continue up? So the first level of area y'all need to look at if we do continue up is this area right here. We need to get above this area. Once we get above this area, we can start making higher highs again. If we fail to get above this area, then we're just making higher lows and we'll continue this downtrend. So we need to get above this area. We need to retest it, and then we can confirm that uptrend. So it looks something like this. Now, it doesn't have to follow this, so don't take this as a trade, right? This is just me drawing on the chart. So something like that. That's bullish case scenario for Li Auto. We get above resistance, we come back down to retest it and confirm it, and we hold it, and then we uptrend again, and then maybe we do something like this where we fall back down and then we're bullish again. So that's picture perfect, right? So that doesn't mean it has to happen this way, but this is the idea that you're going for if you're bullish on Li Auto, and which I am, right? I'm bullish on NIO, XPeng, Tesla, so I'm automatically bullish on Li Auto because it's in the same sector, right? They're in China just like NIO and XPeng. So when Li Auto is down, most likely NIO and XPeng's down for the day, and vice versa. When it's up, the other EV stocks will be most likely up as well. But I just want to get y'all this video just because Li Auto is another popular EV stock, just like NIO and XPeng. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all